Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and my name is Muhammad Izwan Azmin bin Isrohayazi, and my metric number is H201A2886. I would like to present for question 1. This slide display the frequency table for math scores. The table includes the class boundaries, midpoints, frequencies, percentage frequencies, cumulative frequencies, and percentage cumulative for each class. We have a total of 5 classes with a class width of 32.2. English scores frequency table. In this slide, showcase the frequency table for English scores. Similar to the math scores table, it includes the class boundaries, midpoint frequencies, percentage frequencies, cumulative frequency, and percentage cumulative for each class. We also have a total of 5 classes with a class width of 47.8. In both tables, the frequency column shows the number of scores failing within each class, while the percentage frequency column represents the percentage of scores within each class out of the total number of scores. The cumulative frequency column provides the running total of frequencies up to each class, and the percentage cumulative column displays the cumulative frequency as a percentage of the total number of scores. This frequency table offers insight into the distribution and concentration of scores within different ranges or classes for math and English scores. For question 3, what is the average SAT score for Maths and English in this sample? The average SAT Maths score is 614.92, while the average SAT English score is 583.9. The median SAT score for Maths and English are 58.5 and 581.5 respectively. For Mode, the English SAT score is 725.5, while the Maths score is 659.5. Finally, the English SAT score was 57.20, while the Maths SAT score was 51.33 for standard deviation. Estimate the distribution of high school GPA and computer GPA in question 4. Using the test to determine whether a distribution is normal, right or left skewed. It can be concluded from the analysis that with a mean of 3.11, median of 2.955, and mode of 3.51, the distribution of high school GPA appears to be significantly left skewed. That may median and many modes of the distribution of the computer GPA indicate that it is roughly normal. For question number 5, math scores, the 95% confidence interval for the math scores is approximately 587.14, 637.74, with a sample mean of 612.44 and a sample standard deviation of 60.43. For English scores, the 95% confidence interval for the English score is approximately 550.07, 613.05, with a sample mean of 581.56 and a sample standard deviation of 73.87. For number 6, the scatter plot comparing students' high school GPAs and overall university GPAs show a positive correlation, indicating that highest high school GPAs tend to be associated with higher university GPAs. While there are some fluctuation in the data, the majority of the data points on the scatter plot demonstrate an upward trend, suggesting that academic success in high school can be a good indicator in college. It is important to note that university GPAs can also be influenced by other factors such as the transition to college, personal characteristics, and extracurricular involvement. Overall, the scatter plot highlight the importance of considering multiple factors when evaluating academic performance, beyond just high school GPAs.
Hello, my name is Sridharan Gopalakrishnan and my metric number is H201A3094. Here I want to present question number 7 and 8. Question 7 is what is the correction between high school GPA and overall university GPA. The correction high school GPA is 0.84 and for uni GPA is 0.89, so there is a link 0.85. Question 8 is, did the students have higher overall Math SAT scores or English SAT scores? The question number 8 is divided into two. First, calculate each of these means. Formula for the mean is value of the total number of students divided by number of the total data, which is 15376 divided by 25. So the answer is question 615.04. For English SAT score, the answer is 585.04, which is 14262 divided by 25. Question B is conducted a pair t-test to see if this difference is statistically significant. The answer for 8B is 0.06183955, which is since the pair t-test value at the 0.06, which bigger than 0.05, is statistically insignificant.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nariza binti Ibrahim. My message number is HFT20203. Today I will present about regression analysis for predicting university GPA from Math SAT scores. The regression line for predicting our university GPA from Math SAT score is given by equation y equal 316.69 plus 86.29. Here y represent the university GPA and x represent the Math SAT score. The coefficient B1 is calculated to be 6.29, indicating that for every increase of 1 unit in the Math SAT score, the university GPA is expected to increase by 86.29. The intercept B0 is calculated to be 316.69, which represent the estimate the university GPA when the Math SAT score is 0. Therefore, the regression equation can be used to predict the university GPA based on the Math SAT score. Next, about model R-square and correlation. The R-square value of the model is 0.59, which means that approximately 59% of the total variation in university GPA can be explained by the regression line with the Math SAT score as the predictor. The correlation coefficient between university GPA and Math SAT score is 0.77. This indicates a moderate positive correlation between the two variables. The regression model provides a useful tool for predicting university GPA based on Math SAT score, capturing a significant portion of the variation in GPA. It's important to note that this simplified slides focus on the key findings of the regression analysis, namely the regression equation, coefficient interpolation, and the R-square value, indicating the model's predictive power and the correlation between the variables. That's all from me. Thank you.